In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook using Stan Store. We're going to walk through the entire process, step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll have a digital product set up, ready to start making sales. First, log into your Stan Store account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand panel and click on My Store. This is where you manage everything your audience can buy from you. At the top, click on Add Product. A menu will pop up showing different product types you can create. Since we're selling an ebook, choose Digital Product. You'll now be inside the product editor. On the right side, you'll see a live preview of what your product will look like to your customers. This is really helpful because you can see your changes update in real time and make sure everything looks clean and professional. Next, you'll choose a style for how your product appears on your store. You can pick between a button, a callout, or a preview style. Pick the one that best matches your brand or the look you're going for. Then click Choose Image. A pop-up will appear, letting you either select from images already inside Stan Store or upload a new one from your computer. Select your ebook cover or a relevant image, adjust it so it fits nicely in the crop area, and then click Use this photo. A clear, eye-catching image can really help increase clicks. Now it's time to add your text. Start with a strong title, something like Get My Ebook Now. Then add a short subtitle. For example, we'll deliver this file right to your inbox. Use this space to reassure people about what they're getting. Finally, update the button text to something action-focused, such as Get My Guide or Download Here. Make it clear what will happen when they click. When you're happy with that, click Next to move on to editing the checkout page. Here you can add another image if you want, again by clicking Choose Image. Then write a detailed description of your ebook. This section supports rich text, so you can use formatting like headings or line breaks to make it easier to read. After that, edit the text at the bottom and update your main call to action button so it matches your offer and tone. Now set your price. Enter the amount you want to charge for your ebook. If you'd like to offer a discount, toggle on the discount option and enter the discounted price. This can be a great way to run promotions or limited time offers. Next, review the fields you're collecting from your customers. Name and email are automatically included and can't be removed since they're needed to deliver the product. If you want to collect anything else, like a company name or a custom note, click Add Field and choose from the available options. Only ask for what you actually need to keep checkout simple. After that, you'll upload your digital file. You have two choices. First, you can choose Redirect to URL. This is useful if your ebook is hosted somewhere else. Just paste in the URL where customers should be sent after purchase and make sure the product name clearly matches what they're getting. Second, you can choose Upload File. Click Upload, find your ebook file on your computer, and click Open. Wait for the upload to finish completely so there are no delivery issues. Once everything looks good, your visuals, text, price, checkout fields, and file delivery, go ahead and click Publish. Your ebook will now be live on your Stan Store and ready for customers to buy.